That boy trying to get that autograph, boy. Look at you, boy.
Hold on.
Hey, tell your daddy to pull some strings.
Come on, Dad. Hey, excuse me. My son wants your autograph for his birthday. It's his birthday. He wants an autograph. There you go, son. There you go, right there. How are you? Get a picture with him, bro. Come on. There you go. You want a picture?
Sign my forehead.
Who you rolling with? We are out here. Team A.K.O.M is at Formula Drift at OSW. We got Big Mo.
Moses.
We got Blue Baru, STI.
Zuby.
The guy behind the camera right now is Alex. The
kid.
Who this?
And his cousin. We out here. Formula Drift. Enhance your drive, baby. LS Swap Miata. This thing pretty too, boy. See the skyline, baby. See the skyline?
You see
Chris,
it?
they see the skyline?
You see it?
You see that skyline, boy?
You really see it?
RTR Drift, baby. That ain't yours, boy. Get away from that car, boy.
Get it, girl! Get it, girl!
You got the whole get up. This thing is beautiful. I get a chance to see the RTR again. I was at the reveal the other night, but now we get to see it in some sunlight.
Because these are pro, right? You're not paying attention.
I know. Oh my God. Jesus Christ.
This thing? Yeah. That's just idle.
Good job, young Molina. Yeah.
Gotta get some party.
Everybody, we're in the second side of the bracket, so we're not going to be here much longer.
Every couple months. Yes.
If you haven't entered the raffle yet, come on over. You got $5, you get a chance to win a limited.
Look at that tire. It's destroyed.
That's what I'm saying, like it's an LS.
I love that headlight.
Dude, professional, he's fire. That boy trying to get that autograph, boy. Look at you, boy.
Hold on.
Hey, tell your daddy to pull some strings.
Come on, Dad. Hey, excuse me. My son wants your autograph for his birthday. It's his birthday. He wants an autograph. There you go, son. There you go, right there. How are you? Get a picture with him, bro. Come on. There you go. You want a picture?
Sign my forehead.
Thank you. No, seriously, this person. That's awesome, dude. How old are you? He's Mexican. You ready? Come on. 1, 2, 3.
But it still look better than that.
It do.
This is the best one. Bro, let's go. Team A.K.O.M is at Tuners tonight. That's how you make an entrance, baby. Yeah. Yeah, boy, we out here. Tell them that's how you make an entrance, baby. Come in and come straight to the top. Straight to look. Kev standing like he got some status. Look at him, boy, got a leg crossed.
You've been doing this for some.
I see you, Big Cavo. I see you, Big Cavo.
To the right. Also got fruit drinks. Shout out to Resort Racing.
Ooh.
I got the Supra 2 with the wing and it's carbon fiber, just like the Subaru. People thought I would paint it red, but I'ma do it blue. All kind of muscle, all kind of muscle. Pulling up next to my car, you in all kind of trouble. When that